Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to continue the same chapter, that is chapter number 15, area. In this chapter, last part is remaining, that is last exercise 15.6 are remaining, that we are going to start. Now, before starting that exercise, I would like to ask you, what is the formula of area of a circle? What is the formula for area of a circle? I have explained you the formula also. Very good. Very nice. The formula for area of a circle is pi r square. Okay. Now what is the formula for circumference of a circle? Circumference of the circle. Yeah, Harshit Sethi, very good. That is 2 pi r, or there are two formula when we have to find the circumference of a circle, when there is a radius also and when there is a diameter. Now you people have sent me the formula when we are finding the radius, that is 2 pi r, but when we have to find the formula for diameter, very good Shivam, that is pi d. Now you can, yes, see the formula for area of a circle is pi r square. This is the formula for area of a circle when they ask find the area of the circle. Now when the radius is given, that time you have to write the formula 2 pi r. When we have to find the circumference of a circle radius, or when there is a diameter, that time pi d. Now what is the value of pi? What is the value of pi? Very nice, Sudhir. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. But there are two values. Another, very good. Another is 3.14. See, the value doesn't change. Some students, they have written 7 upon 4. That is the not value of the pi. The value of the pi is 22 upon 7. 22 upon 7 or 3.14. This is not going to change. Whenever there is a pi, you have to write the value, that is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. So these all are depending on the practice set 15.6 that we are going to learn today. Practice set 15.6. Question number 1. Radii of the circle are given below. Now radii means radius. Radius of the circle are given below. Find their area. Now here radius is given. You have to find the area of a circle. Now what is the formula for area of a circle? That is pi r square. Now first question is 28 centimeter. Now what we have to do? We have to write what is 28 centimeter. It is the radius of the circle. So that will be our first statement. That means radius of a circle, that is r, is equal to 28 centimeter. Now it is given. Next we have to write the formula for area of a circle. Now area of a circle is pi r square. Now here pi is what? 22 upon 7. R means what? It is given 28. So here we will write 22. In the value of pi, we will write 22 upon 7 multiply by r square. R square means that is 28. 28 we have to write 2 times because we have to write the square of 28. So we will write 22 upon 7 multiply by 28, multiply by 28. Now here we will do the cuttings over here. See, 7 and 28 are going in the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. So 7 fours are is 28. Now if we multiply 22 by 4, now what we are going to come? What will be the answers when we multiply 22 by 4? Very good, Shivam. That is 88. Now, as we got multiplying 22 by 4, 88, that number should multiply by 28. Now, what is the answers when we multiplying 28 by 88? Very good. It will be, Nishant, very nice. It will be 2464. Very nice. That means what is the area of a circle? Area of a circle is 2464 square centimeter. So this is our first answer. So I hope everyone understood. See, we have to put the value of the formula, question, and then all the things same. Then cutting we have to do, and we are getting the answer of area of a circle. Now let's move for the second one. Now the second question is, here radius is 17.5. Now radius is given 17.5. Same you have to find the area of a circle. Now here what is given? Radius is given. So first statement should be radius of a circle, that is R, equal to 17.5 centimeter. That is already given. Now second we have to find the area of a circle. Now, area of a circle is what? Area of a circle is pi r square. Now, here the value of pi is 22 upon 7, or else you can take 3.14 also. See, it is your choice whether you have to take the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7, or 3.14. Now I have taken the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7, multiply by my r is what? 17.5. That I have written 2 times 17.5 multiply by 17.5. Now you can see here 22 upon 7 multiply by 17.5 multiply by 17.5. Now here we have to do the cuttings. We have to see whether it is going by the table of 7 or not. See, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 15, 16, 17. 3 we will carry over here. So it will become 35. 7 5s is 35. Now we have to put the point. That means what we got? We got answer, that is 2.5. Now 22 should be multiplied by 2.5. Now as we multiply 22 by 2.5, what will be the answer? What is the answer when you multiply 22 by 2.5? Very good. What you are getting? You are getting answer as 55. Now that 55 should multiply by 17.5. Now multiply 55 by 17.5. What you are getting? Very good, Sudhir. What you are getting? You are getting 962.5. Very well. Everyone is getting the same answer. That is 962.5 square centimeters. You see, you don't have to miss the square centimeter. It also contain half marks. So if you have missed square centimeter writing, half marks will be deducted from 2 marks sum. So here what you have to write the answer, that is 9600, oh sorry, 962.5 square centimeter. I hope everyone understood the second sums also. Now question number 2. We have done with question number 1. There area of a circle we have to find where radius was given. Now in second question, area of some circle are given. Now area is given, area of a circle is given, and you have to find the diameter. See what is given, area of a circle is given and you have to find the diameter. Now first question, it is given 176 square centimeter. Now this 176 is what? It is our area of a circle. So that we have to write the first line, that what is given? Area of a circle is given, that is 176 square centimeter. Now next what we have to find out? We have to find out the area of a circle. But when what is given? When No, when only area of a circle is given, first what you are going to do? You are going to find the radius. Now after finding radius, you are going to solve it by the formula of diameter. That is diameter is 2 of radius. That is diameter is 2 of the radius. Now let us see how we are going to solve it. Now we have to write the formula of area of a circle, that is pi r square. Now area is given 176, so area के नीचे लिखना है 176 equal to pi is how much? 22 upon 7. So pi 22 upon 7 into radius. Radius is not given. So we will find first what? We will find first radius. So our answer, what we got? 176 equal to 22 upon 7 multiplied by r square. Now r square we will take one side, equal to 176 as it is, but 22 upon 7, when it is going that side, it become 7 upon 22. See, it become multiply by 7 upon 22. Just see here. See, 176 will be there only. When we take 22 upon 7 other side, it is going to change. That means it become 7 upon 22, and r square will remain as it is, r square. Now here we will do the cutting, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Then 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. Next, 11 ones are 11, 11 eights are 88. Now we have to multiply 8 into 7 because downward 1 is remaining. Now 8 sevens are is how much? 8 sevens are is 56. You can see over here 8 sevens are is 56. Now we have to find the square. Now 56 is not the square of any number. Now if we got 64, 64 is the square of 8. 8 8s are 64. But 56, isn't it is a square of any number? No, it is not a square of any number. So we will write r equal to square root of 56. R equal to square root of 56, because it is not a square of any single number. So that will remain as it is. That become r equal to square root of 56. See, this is the symbol of square root of 56. Now as we know, r is what? Square root of 56. We have to find the diameter. Now what is the formula of diameter? Diameter is always double of radius. Diameter is always double of radius. So the formula for diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Now 2 is what? As it is. Radius we are not got. We got radius as square root of 56. So our final answer, what is the diameter? So our final answer is 2 square root of 56. See, instead of any number if we got, so we have to multiply that number by 2. But here we have not got any number. We have got square root of 56 because 56 is not a square of any number. So the final answer is diameter equal to 2 square root of 56. Now the next question is 394.24 square centimeter. See, this is also given area of a circle. So the first statement should be area of a circle equal to 394.24 square centimeter. Now our next statement will be area of a circle formula. Now area of a circle is how much? Pi r square. Now here area of a circle is given. Pi we know, we have to find out first radius. After finding radius, we have to find out the diameter. Now same we will write the formula, that is area of a circle equal to pi r square, that is 394.24. This is our area equal to 22 upon 7. This is our pi into r square that we are going to find out. As we write this all thing, I told you we have to take one side all the number and one side the alphabet. So that means 394.24 will remain there only. Then 22 upon 7 will go that side. So it will become 7 upon 22 equal to r square. Now see here. See, 394.24 will remain as it is. Multiply by, now 22 upon 7 will go that side, it become 7 upon 22 equal to r square. Now see the cutting what I am doing here. See, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Then here 2 ones are 2. 3 is there, we will carry here 1, it become 19. 2 nines are 18. 1 carry, it becomes 14. So 2 sevens are 14. Now point as it is, point. Then 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Now here it becoming downward is 11 and upside it is 197.12. Now same we will cut this number by 11 table. See, 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. There is 19. So 11 के बाद 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How much will remain? 8. So 8 we will carry. It become 87. 11 8s are 88. We can't take. So we will take 11 7s are 77. Now 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. 87 means how much is remaining? Very good. How much is remaining? 10 is remaining. So that 10 we will carry over here. It become 101. Now once again 11. How many times I have to take it? How many times I have to take it? Very good. 11 nines are. So 11 nines are is 99. 11 nines are is 99. But here is 101. 99, 100, 101. 2 will remain. So we will carry over here. It become 22. So 11 twos are is 22. 2 number के बाद point देना है. So point will come here. That is 17.92. Now this 17.92 should be multiplied by 7. Now multiply 17.92 by 7. What you are getting? 17.92 multiply by 7. What you are getting? Very good. You are getting the same answer which I got. That is 125.44. Now what is this? This is our R square. Now R square means 125.44 is the square of which number? It is the square of 112. It is the square of 112. So we have to write it R equal to 11.2. Now we got R, that is 11.2. Just wait. We got R, that is 11.2. Now as we got R, what is our main thing to find out? We have to find out the diameter. So diameter is always double of radius. Diameter is always double of radius, or 2R. So here 2 into R is what? R we got, that is 11.2. Now as we multiply 2 by 11.2, what we are getting? 22.4. We are getting 22.4. So the same answer I also got, that is 22.4. So here the diameter is 22.4 centimeter. See, diameter we are not going to write square centimeter. Diameter we have to write in centimeter and meter. But when we are finding area, that time we have to write square centimeter or square meter. Okay, now next question number 4. Find the area of a circle if its circumference is 88. Now here what you have to find out? You have to find out the area of a circle if the circumference is 88. Now first we have to write the number what is given. Now what is given here? Here circumference of a circle is 88 centimeter. Circumference of a circle is how much? 88 centimeter. Now you have to write the formula of circumference of a circle when radius is, when we will take radius. So 2 pi r is the formula for area of a circle. Now as we write the formula area of a circle, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 88. 88 is what? 80 is our circumference. So circumference is how much? 88 equal to 2 pi r. Now 88 will remain here only. This is 2 upon, it will go downward. Pi is how much? 22 upon 7. When it go there, it becomes 7 upon 22. And what will remain? Only r will remain. See what I have done. 88 will remain here only. This is equal to 2. 2 is 2 के नीचे क्या होता है? 1. So when we it go there, it become 1 upon 2. So here I have not written 1, I have written down only 2. Then pi is how much? Pi is 22 upon 7. When it go that side, it becomes 7 upon 22. What is remaining? Only r is remaining. So equal to r. Now next is we have to do the cutting. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. 11 ones are 11. Oh, 2 ones are 2. We can take 11 table also, or we can take 2 table also. So I am taking 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22 and 11 fours are 44. Now once again 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Now what is remaining? 2 and 7. Now 2 sevens is how much? 14. So R what we got? R we got 14 centimeter. Now as we got R as 14 centimeter, what we have to find? We have to find the area of a circle. So we will write the formula of area of a circle equal to pi r square. You can see over here, area of a circle is how much? Area of a circle is pi r square. Now what is pi? Pi is 22 upon 7. And what is r? R we got, that is 14. So multiply by 14, multiply by 14. Now we have to do the cutting, that is 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Now 22 multiplied by 2 is 44. Now 44, when we multiply by 44 by 14, we are getting answer, that is 616 square centimeter. So here our area of a circle. Area of a circle is what? 616 square centimeter. Now here we have completed our chapter